So we have the latitude to perceive agency in others or not. We have the latitude to perceive consciousness or not. We have the latitude to perceive God in the world or not. We are free to perceive different things. There's no consciousness meter that will tell you if somebody else is an automaton or not. Some of the people in my field seem to be so on occasions, and I don't know. I mean, I can't tell what's inside somebody else's heart. We love each other on faith, just like we know God. We can't really know. We can only know our own consciousness. And so you absolutely have the latitude to perceive machines that way. The question is whether it's useful, smart. I mean, my argument against it can never be to challenge your faith or your idea or your aesthetics. As I said before, I do have a pragmatic argument on a society level, though. And the thing is, the tech companies, which I'm totally in bed with, they're not like some other, that's me. But the tech companies are so powerful that we're basically like de facto governments now of the world. And so what we need to do is insist, as I said before, on a church-state separation. What we have to do is insist that these massive powers don't adopt particular faiths about what's conscious or not, because that totally screws you up. As soon as all of a sudden you're owning women's bodies because you believe that a fetus,
but I don't
that
think,
sort of thing. Like
I don't
totally
think your opponents disagree with that. Do you?
No, we don't.
In bioethics, we have to determine what a person is. We have to have an ideology. Otherwise, you'd treat a stone the same way you treat a human being. One thing has consciousness, the other doesn't. It is an empirical question that we will have to solve in the future. What kinds of artificial intelligence have moral standing and which kinds don't?
We must give people latitude to have different beliefs about this. We must not impose beliefs on each other about this.
But you all agree with that,
If you feel that they must be imposed, then we have an extremely sharp disagreement that cuts to the core.
You think there should be no law determining who's alive and who's dead?
No, there precisely can't. We have to give people the latitude to decide that a fetus can be aborted. We have to give people the latitude to decide that they treat their dog like a child. We have to give people the latitude to fall in love with their computer. We have to give people the latitude to think that their computer should be dumped in the East River.
Okay,
if we impose these things on each other,
we also have to figure out legally whether your lab tech can be put in prison for not fixing your computer correctly, whether that's medical malpractice or not. So we're going to have to figure these questions out. It will be a matter of law and public policy.
All right, let's go.